This video will show you how to set up your electronic lockbox profile. And once this has been done, your feedback request will start going out automatically to showing agents every time they show one of your listings. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Showings, Set Up Lockbox. And so you select your lockbox provider. For Sentrilock, you need to put in the user ID and password, and then after you do that, you hit save. And then for Supra, you click on Supra, and then you need to populate a little bit more information. And this is the same for Sentrilock. If you do not know your user ID or password, if it's not saved someplace, you can go to the website of either Supra or Sentrilock to the login page. A lot of times it will be just sort of automatically populated in here because you have saved your user ID and your password in your browser. So if not, and these fields are blank and you just don't know what they are, you can click on Forgot User ID. And then if you enter in your email that is connected to your Supra account and then click Submit, the system will automatically send you your user ID, and Sentrilock kind of has a similar process. So once you've got the user ID, it's the same thing for the password. If you don't recall it, you can click on Forgot Password, and then there it will kind of walk you through how to reset your password. So once you have the user ID and password, you can just kind of enter it in and into the system here, and then you will select and this is for Supra. Once again, for Sentrilock, you don't have to put this extra information in there, but you need to, for Supra, enter in the MLS board, and you can select it, starting by the Canadian provinces, and then it's alphabetical. And then the states are after the provinces. So, if you're in Washington and it's the Northwest MLS, you select that. Your key serial number, many of you have it on your lockbox, on your cell phone, you access it that way. So if you click on the Supra app and then you see where it says eKey Basic, there'll be like an 8-digit code. You enter that in, and that number, and so you just type that in, and then your PIN is your 4-digit PIN that you type to access the property. So then you hit save like you did for Sentrilock, and then once you've hit save, you hit sync test, and then the screen will gray out. And when it's no longer grayed out, the connection status, it'll be the same thing for Sentrilock. It will say what you want it to say is okay and in green. If it says anything other than okay, one of your credentials is wrong, and you'll need to confirm what it is. And then if you just click on the green pencil, you can edit it. So after you've got all your lockbox credentials in, you then will be able to just automatically import your all of your individual lockboxes, and you do that by clicking on import, and then they'll all just be pulled into your account. You can also, if you need to, add lockbox numbers manually. So if you just have a lockbox that you want to add manually, you can go ahead and do that, and then it will just be in your account, and then you can start linking the lockbox number to your different listings. And this is how you set up a lockbox profile.